Zion, going where? Going where?
Ocean Park.
Ocean Park. Bye-bye, Jollibee.
Bye-bye, Jollibee.
Going to Ocean Park.
Happy birthday, Ocean Park. Happy birthday.
Zion, where are you? Hey. Ocean Park?
Cellphone.
CCP. Partro.
Daddy, bye-bye.
Ang ganda. Fire truck.
Woo.
Fire truck.
Wee, wee. Where Ocean Park? Where?
Hey, horse tayo, no?
Ang horse, oh. See the horse?
You know.
Where?
Yeah, this one. Where are you now?
Ocean Park.
Galing. What is that? What is that?
No.
You go there?
No, po.
You don't want to
Ayaw.
go there?
Ayaw da. Ano ba? Smile, baby!
Look at Nadi.
If you want to come inside, please open your box and present your tickets. Thank you. Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng papasok na suyo na lang po. Pabukas ng ating mga bag at pagsinagdaan ng ating mga ticket or welcome come inside.
Share lang ako.
Let's go! Go inside na. Go inside, baby. Go. Saan tayo? Jungle Trek. The Reef. Los Atlantis. Ang dami. Living Ocean. Hindi ko na mababasa lahat. Sayang.
No.
Il.
Ano na? Dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur tayo, no? Busog na yung tatlong araw dyan.
Oo.
Oh, doon na touch.
Asa yan? Fish.
Darating na po guys.
Ito doon pangalan. Wala pa eh. Wow ka na. Nagwawaw ka na agad. Color blue pa lang yung nakikita mo.
Kaya wala tayo lang. Sa akin ng Dior. Hindi makapunta sa ibang. Black pack. Ayun na ako. Parang red pa. Kulang.
Hey, Daddy, look.
Oh, stingray? Is that a stingray?
Doon ka sa Stingray magpa-picture. Sky, oh.
I love you. Say hi. Hey, Daddy. See.
The Reef. Meron ako the Reef.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
What's that? What's that?
Wala, ang
What's that?
cute. Ito na may fish oh.
Ang fish yan.
Isda ba yan? Tayo, what's
Is
that?
that a fish?
What's that?
Brushing teeth ng fish?
Ay, nagaling.
Ang galing may fish. Look at the fish. Ang galing ng fish no?
Wait mo, wait. Nagulat pa nga. Yun daw, yun daw.
Sayang, come here, please.
Ayun, saan ka
Yes! Ay, what is that? Oh, go there, go there, go there.
Ayun o. Hammerhead. Hammerhead shirt. Ano yun? Ano yung lumalaglag mo? Sayang, come here.
Hindi ko alam. Dipsy.
Oh, hold mo, hold. Pwede yung mga ano.
Asan na yun? Sayon! Sayon! Hala, stingray.
Napunta na kayo sa baba. Yung sa aquarium.
Uy!
Yung pagkaror.
Yung aking pagkain.
Come and see me. This way to Antarctica. Ah, Antarctica na tayo, Sayon.
Sama.
Picture. Bakit may mga baby? Okay.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Let's go inside. Penguin.
Alright, let's go, Sam.
Wow!
Ayun, nasa loob sila. Ayun. Nasa loob. Ano ba?
Ala, nasa loob yung penguin.
Ito yung kanino.
O kaya nga, sa taas lang pala yun. Ala, nasa loob sila oh. 700.
Wala ka. Tama na yung nakikita lang natin.
700, ipipid pa natin sila, sayon.
We will go there. Duck oh. Is that a duck? No, what's that? Penguin.
Penguin.
Parang bibi lang eh.
Bibing hybrid. Tama nga yung iba, nakatayo lang eh. Oh. Christmas na. Wow, malamig. Wow, malamig dito. Huh? Who is that? Asayan, nakatil sa mami. Ayon.
Ayun.
Wow! Gusto mo niyan? Ay, sayon turtle. Oh, ay, what is this? Crab! You want? Ha? Wala namang crab. Ayan, crab. You want? Mommy will buy you crab. Oy, one only. Sayon, dalawa na yung kinuha mo. Ah, itong dalawang to, yakapan ng ano. Bibili nyo ba yan? Papabili ba kayo? Ha? Diwag. Magkano? 1.8 daw. That one. Sa'yo yan. How much? Oo nga, yun ang gusto niya. How much, baby? Oh, where you going? Okay na yon. Dito pala malamig eh. Dito yung digital museum. $100 per game. $100.
Tapos,
Press! Come on, Daddy will try the game. Dali, ayun, dali. Ayun o, later si Zion, later.
Mami, do the honors. Bigan.
that?
Butterfly toy. Oo nga, butterfly toy.
Sombrero?
Ay, may nalaglag na alcohol eh.
Hala.
Sad. Ayan, buhaya.
Ang laki sayon!
What's that, Sayon? Crocodile?
Kaya dali.
Oh no!
Go inside. Ba yan? Init.
Ano tol? Dalawa tayo? Ha? Meron ako? Ha? Okay sir, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. Okay.
Ayun o, Hab, sa likod mo, Hab. Hab, sa likod mo.
Start on the hornbill.
What is that? Go, go, go. Ikot, ikot.
Ibang ibon, oh.
What is that?
Ano yan? Anong ibon yan? Anong ibon yan?
You hold it, you hold it. It's not moving, it's not moving.
Ano yung nagtawag mo? Godzilla! That's baby Godzilla. You know that?
Wala, ano nangyari?
Godzilla! Hindi naman ko kakainin yan. Hindi ka naman yung ano niyan, prey niyan. Ah, dalawa. Sayang daw.
Go there, Sayon, dali. Picture din. What is that?
Pagkain nila ito, isda, ipon, tahong, yan, rotation yan araw-araw. Minsan oyster. Pinupagpog nila sa bato yun para buksan.
There is otter.
Tapos minsan cat food.
Ang galing kumain. Smile. Galing ng baby
Thank
ko.
you! Green Tide! Ayan o, toad o. Frog. Ano frog o? Frog no?
Oi, dude, what? Ay, no. Ay, Luca!
Lucas the spider?
Ay, Luca, spider! Ay! Ay, Luca, spider!
Red knee. Brazilian salmon too.
Ego!
That? No, that's not a snake. Here. Ito ko muna. Dahil mo ng ikot mo. Ano meron dito?
Ayan, lizard.
Ay, lizard pa daw. A picture.
Now let's talk about the swimming of booties and let's start swimming. Good morning. Seagulls can generate goods at around 11 miles per hour. Let's go!
Ay, nag-kiss! Nag-kiss.
We want to know guys, they have this long and flexible man. How flexible? Well, can be down. So flexible, right? How about our dogs? Our C9 brand. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of thought. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. That's right, hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from breathing in the water. And their small